Imagine investing in Bitcoin as easily as in Apple shares with government approval. Sounds like fantasy? It's already reality in some countries. Welcome to the final part of our Bitcoin ETF series. We've covered what Bitcoin ETFs are, how they work, their popularity and their advantages. Today we'll discuss existing cryptocurrency ETFs and regulators' views. Cryptocurrency ETFs have emerged in several countries, including the United States, Australia, Canada, and Europe. However, only futures ETFs are currently available in the US, while Europe already has more promising spot ETFs. Futures ETFs are less accurate in tracking Bitcoin's real price. It's like watching the price through cloudy glass. Futures contracts can fluctuate differently than the cryptocurrency itself. Why focus on the United States? While spot ETFs directly holding Bitcoin are trading in Europe, the American market is the world's largest. Approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs there would open doors for countless investors, potentially impacting the entire cryptocurrency industry. So why no spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US yet? The issue lies with American regulators, particularly the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. For over a decade, the SEC has blocked all attempts to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs, citing fears of market manipulation and inadequate investor protection. A Bitcoin ETF approval could be revolutionary. Millions of investors would access Bitcoin through familiar stock market mechanisms, potentially attracting enormous capital and significantly boosting Bitcoin's price. In January 2024, a breakthrough occurred. The SEC approved spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. This decision marked a turning point for the crypto industry, immediately reflected in Bitcoin's price surge. By March, its value hit a record high of around $73,000, the peak since December 2021. On the first day alone, this new fund's trading volume reached an impressive $4.6 billion, showcasing strong investor interest in this new financial instrument. Are you ready to seize these new earning opportunities? In cryptocurrencies, every move can be pivotal. Share in the comments how you plan to use Bitcoin ETFs and what excites you most about the crypto market's future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on earning in the cryptocurrency world. Click the bell icon to stay updated on the most relevant news and opportunities.